fire. We have to have a party. Trade Show 2026. The hardest thing for our customers to get is all the things that we carry and for them to understand the breadth of products that we have. And the only way to do that is to get all our vendors together.
It's a great event, and not only do you have also manufacturers, but you have the end users, you have the schools, so that creates a perfect ecosystem in the welding industry. So you have the people that make stuff, the people that sell stuff, the people that use the stuff, and then the technical support behind it.
They might know us for metal cutting, but they might not know we have mechanized welding and mag drills and plate beveling and automated beveling machines. So seeing the full breadth of line and being able to talk to these guys exactly what we have is a big deal.
A customer that was just here was buying their bandsaw blades online, so when they stopped here and told us what they were cutting, we made recommendations of speeds and feeds so they can get the most use out of their product.
We're talking about the Venture 150S. It's a stick welding, battery-powered welder. So the benefit is portability. So if you're going into, a mine and it's hard to find electricity, you can whip this thing out, make a couple of repair welds, rock and roll.
Instead of showing up to a job site with a generator welder, an air compressor, and a plasma cutter, with Ranger Air, you have the engine, the welder, and the compressor all in one. If you're on a work truck, you're limited by the bed size, what you can work with. So we can now simplify that all into one machine. Just makes it easier for everybody.
We're looking at the GRJ-03 reciprocating pipe cutting saw. You want to have it chocked down and locked in so that your blade is going to be precise through the whole cut. Nice clean cuts.
Trabajamos en material de aluminio y entonces estamos revisando los parámetros para mejorar la soldadura. Y me enseñó cómo es la técnica que se lleva en aluminio porque es un proceso más difícil. Y pues ya la tenemos y gracias.
I'm a metal artist. I've been doing this since I was 5 years old. My dad taught me. I gotta pay it forward, so that's why I'm here today. Do these little demonstrations, have people hands-on, get to start welding and sculpting and doing this kind of fun stuff over here.
I love talking with students. At the end, it's the future of our industry.
And it's things like this show that these kids learn from.
And so if we talk to them now, they understand our product and they know to buy Baco.
It's just an amazing day, connecting with old friends that come every year that we have this show. It's awesome.